Hey, I just wanted to share some results with you that I got before 8 a.m. today. Today is May 16th, 2022. And I just wanted to record this video to show you results and proof that you can build your business online and get multiple sales and be able to actually, get results in your business. If you notice right here, the first one came in at 1:54 a.m. Then the second one came in at 8 a.m. And that was the beginning of the day, and I didn't even really do too much, promoting aside from email today. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Gio Gionta. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I would do. I didn't know how I would get out of it. And a couple of my mentors showed me a concept that changed my life forever and changed the way that I did business for good. And I took my business from being offline to online, and I started to get results with a couple tools that I'm going to show you right now. So, me taking my business from offline to online, it enabled me to get on the leaderboards like you could see right here. I've been on the, boards multiple times, and I continue to actually, get results in business and everything because of the strategies that I am putting forth in order to get signups. So, if you're taking your business from offline to online, it doesn't matter if you're a network marketer or affiliate marketer or you've never had any kind of business online before. This whole, membership site was built off of these tools that I'm going to show you right now. So you could build a site that's identical to this site if you wanted to. They got copyright, but I'm just saying like as far as the structure of this site and the membership site, they use these tools to be able to create this website. So I'm going to show you, what these tools are. So they are tools that you use to build your business online. The first thing is you need to be able to have an audience. The audience is what you're going to be able to, give value to and communicate with on a daily basis. They're going to know about you. They're going to be able to, follow you through email, any content that you have on social media, any kind of post, any kind of videos. They're going to be able to follow you from your email list. And then they'll be able to see other sources that you're on social media to be able to produce content. But your email list is very important, and that's why this has a funnel builder. And this funnel builder is actually very, very good. And if you look at a lot of other funnel builders, are very pricey, and sometimes they're very much technical. And for the average, man or woman getting started, they might not know how to use, certain tools. So this makes it very, very easy for you to actually do. It takes you step by step. Now, the first thing that you want to learn is how to actually structure your business, and you want to tap into support. So as what they have here is they have the Facebook community that you could get into, and then they have a Telegram, chat for those people that go premium, which is the traffic and conversions that you're about to learn about in this video. So that's the first thing, is getting support. Then you want to get into the 3 simple steps to build any business online, which is very important. And then from there, you're going to learn how to set up your funnel, so that way you could start getting leads, and you could start, getting people to actually see the offer, right? So you're going to want to connect your domain and the autoresponder, which holds the messages, and also your contacts, your emails, to people who have an interest. So those are 2 very important steps. And then you're going to actually learn about the funnel builder, and you're going to learn about how to create your own pages, how to optimize for mobile, which means you get the best results, how to do, custom, codes and pixels. The pixel actually shows you the the tracking, so you see all the numbers. You're going to know how to do a redirect to anywhere. You're going to know how to do an exapop. An exapop is if somebody tries to X out of their browser, they'll get a message saying, no, wait, we have something else, and it'll keep them within the funnel instead of them leaving the browser and leaving the website, right? And it's going to also teach you how to create your templates, how to do shared funnels, how to track your leads in the builder, how to sell your own products, which is very important because you want to know how to sell your own products as somebody who's a marketer, how to do upsells and downsell. Upsell is whenever they put their email in, they go to a page that looks like the one in front of me. It has a video, and then it has a button underneath the video, and they watch the video, they get more information, and they have the option to buy from that button, right? If they buy, then it might take them to an upsell. An upsell is something more that they offer for additional value, which is of another price, normally of a higher price for more value, right? So they have the option to buy that. A downsell is if they don't buy, if they say no thank you, or they buy one thing and they don't buy the upsell, it might take them to a downsell, saying they could get something else of value but of a lesser price. That's a downsell, right? And then it teaches you how to build a membership site like this website. You're going to know how to do that. It's going to teach you how to actually host your videos. It's going to teach you how to book your appointments so you're organized. It's going to teach you how to create graphics, how to create survey pages to get information from the people that have an interest. It's going to teach you how to split test, which is, basically when people come to your page, it's a text on the page, which one converts the best, right? It's going to teach you, about email marketing. It's going to also teach you about, different things like creating your own, website. And then you could also get, coaching, as soon as you want to get coaching, you could do that within here too. And this funnel builder is only $25 a month. You get a $20 residual commission, which means you get paid $20 a month every single month for anybody that signs up with you, right? So this funnel builder tool is your first tool that you're going to need to build your business online and actually make sales in your sleep, like you see that I make when I'm not even awake. I'm making sales, and that's because emails go out on my behalf that I've already put into my system to go out, sharing results, sharing value, and then when I wake up, I have sales, right? But I wanted more than just that. I wanted to be able to learn about traffic, and this gives you $100 a month, commission. So you're going to get $120 a month just from those two things alone. And before you start running traffic, you're going to want to know about mindset. You're going to want to know about how to actually, tap into your dreams, the big picture, and who your target market is. Like, who are you marketing to? Who's your audience? And then you're going to want to build a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give away in exchange for an email. So it's something of value. So it could be a PDF, it could be a free training, it could be something that you give away for free in exchange for a lead. That's a lead magnet in exchange for email, right? And then you're going to learn about free methods of advertising, and that could be, launching your business, and you're going to learn about the steps to invite. You're going to learn about how to get unlimited leads to Facebook. You're going to learn about simple ways to advertise on Facebook. You're going to learn about how to blog for your business. You can learn about how to rank your videos on YouTube if that's your thing. Like, that's why you see my videos at the top of the search engines. You're going to learn about podcasting. You're going to learn about, how to do your own, blog network. And you're going to learn about how to get leads on LinkedIn, which is like Facebook for professionals. You're going to also learn how to do Facebook ad methods, like free methods. And then you're going to learn how to do Facebook, ads and Facebook Lives as well. And then you're going to learn how to do a Facebook or a 5-day launch challenge, which is actually when you have a product and you launch your product, it's actually, getting people on a presentation, and, you're basically selling on the back end. So you're giving value up front and selling on the back end. And then you're going to want to learn about the paid methods. The paid methods are text text messaging, which they just added, solo ads, Facebook ads, and Facebook video ads. Solo ads are basically whenever an email marketer or a marketer sends out an email on your behalf to his list or her list, and they actually, click on your links to get onto your list. That's how that works. Or you could do video ads, or you could do any type of Facebook written ads as well. You're going to learn about conversion, so you're going to learn about the 13-point conversion formula. You're going to know how to close leads. You're going to know how to actually convert people and how to actually get people to onboard the right way. So that way you can, get them started the right way. Then there's coaching. There's live coaching, which is actually the Monday Night Mastermind, which I just got off, which was amazing, which is where, leaders share their tips and tricks of what they're doing in their business that's working. There's around 70 people on that call every single week, live by Zoom, so you get live help, and you could get your questions answered as well. There's a daily Grow Rich call, which is in the morning at 9 a.m. and that helps you with mindset. It helps you get in a right state of mind to build your business online. And then there's a Take Action Mastermind, which is at 11 a.m., Monday through Friday, which the leaders of the company go over the shoulder and show you exactly what they're doing in their business live to get results. That's Monday through Friday. That's the kind of training that you get. It's all live, hands-on, which I love about this. Then you get other bonus trainings, and then you also get Done For You funnels. A Done For You funnel is something that you want when you're first getting started with something to be able to, get on board immediately and start getting results, which is very important in any opportunity that you join, anything that you join. So this gives you $100 a month, so you get 80% commissions on all these products, right? Then when you have your funnel set up and you start, getting leads, you start getting results, you're going to want to know how to manage your business. So there's a Financial Literacy Academy, which you're going to learn about how to eliminate debt. You're going to learn about finances. You're going to learn about how to manage that stuff for your business. So you're going to learn about, business tax strategies. You're going to learn about how to plan for retirement and how to keep your books the right way, so that way you get results and you know how to manage your business online as a business owner. You're going to learn about other strategies because when you start making money, you have to invest, so that way you keep more of your money so it's not taken in taxes, right? So they have ways to avoid scams, how you could spot them and avoid them, which is very cool. How to actually invest, how to car flip, how to invest in other, property like mobile homes, property management, house flipping, and how to actually have your property, get results for you, which is important when you start making money. You want to do investments so that way it generates you money instead of having to, give it away in taxes. So those are the things that you're going to learn. This gives you a $400 commission, and it's a one-time purchase. You'll get a $400 commission from it. So altogether, you can make over $500 per sale. So, if you get all in, is what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you how to get at least 1,000 people per month to see this opportunity, and you'll start getting results in your business as well. And so that way you could get on the leaderboards too, and you can start building your story. So yeah, make sure you click on the link below this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure you get into the Facebook group. It's a free group. It's also in the description. You could get in for free. It doesn't cost anything, and you could start having results in your business through our Facebook group by the training that I give, right? So, make sure you click on that link below this video to get started, and I'll talk to you soon.